What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video with the MazdaSpeed. It's going through a lot of work right now. If you guys watched last video, you guys would have known we put coilovers in it. We're currently still working on it in this phase. When you guys have watched the videos, it would have been hopefully fixed. And so basically that just means that we've epoxied the shit out of this bolt. That we got a little bit of an issue up there. It just, all we're saying is it snapped. So anyways, today on the Speed, we're going to be installing a TurboSmart 50/50 blow-off valve in Bueno. So basically, TurboSmart 50/50, it's a 50/50. So you get a little bit of bypass valve going off, and you also get a blow-off valve going off. It is adjustable. You spin the top for softer and a harder rebound, which I will be adjusting to what the stock bypass valve is. Right now it's pretty stiff, so I'll see. Don't have a gasket for this, so I made a gasket cutout with some gasket maker. Let's see that gasket. Gasket maker sheets, gasket maker cut, which fits under here, and hopefully there shall be no leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and install this today. Basically, all you gotta do is take off, if you guys are running this without like an intake, just gotta take the top half of this off, take that off, take your stock one off, and then put the hoses in, and then you guys will have Bueno. Hey Jace, what's up?
Hola.
Hey Cody.
Hola.
Nice. So let's go ahead and get started with installing. Okay, first step, take your MAF off, like I said. It's a lot easier if you don't have the stock box. Ooh, beauty.
No balls. Nice.
Okay, now you take this big boy off. This is the most horrible thing. Okay, back to the tenor. It's gonna make it run like shit.
Well, you know what? I hope to hear some popping and booming and powing.
You definitely will, because it will backfire since it's blow off. These cars don't like blow off valves of the booms and the pows to the click clack wow.
Click clack wow, that's just your rod going. Anyone home?
New motor, anybody?
Oh jeez.
So this is out. So the springs in here, get a feel for it. It's pretty stiff. Open.
There you go.
Now I got a headache even more. So I'm gonna spin it to make it go harder. Gasket time. Gasket maker, baby. Flap it on there.
Yeah, just a side note, make sure you don't cut out the center.
We didn't make a hole.
Yeah, I know.
And we didn't cut out the center.
Yeah, I know.
Shit.
We'll be back after these short messages.
Hey.
Colton's starting without us.
Yo, dead ass.
Censor that.
That's sick.
Censor that.
One. Uno.
So Colton, why do you put the bolts in now before it's on the car? To help line it up. Dude, that Generation's got a beefy looking muffler tip.
Yeah, you know why? Because it's a Canadian Tire muffler tip.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did you put that on?
I bought that for her Matrix like a long time ago, and it didn't fit, so we slapped that on.
So you're telling me Canadian Tire muffler tips, tinted headlights, tinted everything. Are you a racer?
Yes.
How tight does that get torqued?
Not tight, because you'll snap one of these. Take it as example because I've done it before and it's not fun. So that should not work, but it's okay because YOLO. And I'm only running 15, big old nothing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Force.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that headache. Yay! Now I gotta put this. This is unbelievable. This is broken.
How's it broken?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Doesn't work.
Let me see it.
No, watch.
You just suck at lining it up. You just can't find the holes.
I've spent an hour out here trying to put this stupid piece of shit back together.
Well, for starters, you're on your duct.
Well, my duck can eat my ass. Oh yeah. You can fly it.
What? That was like the worst one I've ever seen.
Hi guys. Back an hour later.
Wow! He really does work on cars. So what is this, a fuel pressure regulator? Don't. When your car runs like shit because of this thing, you're gonna need that.
Basically.
Okay, so is that install complete? So is the next clip they're gonna see some Sututus? That punched me in the eye, bro.
Dude, I saw your clothes go.
Yeah, literally. That one moved the camera. The camera was like, wait, you're popping a lot, bro. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Dude, I got that right in the camera. Oh. Dude, she's blowing some rings. With those little pops, it's like, poof. There it was, I got it.
Let's get started. I'm gonna get some interior sound clips for you, just because you guys heard it from the outside. So one thing I do want to mention, if I haven't already mentioned it, this is the next day of actually recording the install. The intake in this car makes a difference with the blow-off valves and the bypass valves. See, I'm running a stock intake, so you're not actually getting the pure sound that these would actually make. So what I'm saying is that if you guys had an intake on, these things would be, they sound like whiplashes. Take that from me. I would know. I've been in cars with these that have full intakes. It makes it sound so much better because basically you're getting no sound out of the bypass valve. This sounds dumb, but it's very true. You're getting no sound out of the bypass valve as of now, but when you put that intake on, you're gonna get that bypass valve sound, and you're also gonna get the blow-off valve sound. You guys think I'm stupid, but I know how it works. I've run bypass valves, stock intakes, and everything like that. So anywho, let's go ahead and get some interior sound clips. So we're gonna start with the window closed. I'm gonna get about 3 pulls for you guys with some sound and see how you guys like it. Like I said, it's not gonna be as loud as it would be with an intake, but you're still getting that sound, and I think it still sounds pretty good. Sounds with the window open. Hopefully no car noise there. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this with the MazdaSpeed 3 and all the parts go on. Like I said, when I get my intake and everything, I'll leave the link in the description for just pure audio of this. Obviously, if you guys are watching this like right after the upload date, you won't find the link. So it's TBA to be announced. That's your audio for when the intake is not installed. It gives you a glimpse of what to expect. So TurboSmart makes one of the best 50/50s. Go fast bits as well. Anything that you prefer, I think TurboSmart's fantastic. Like I said, I know a couple people that run it. I haven't had an issue with it. Just make sure you take it apart, lube it, and have it running at full function. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.